Huawei has added artificial intelligence to the video mode on the Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, after using AI extensively for stills photography for a while. We shot some video with the Huawei Mate 20 on a recent trip to Barcelona in Spain to see how it works and the effects the AI can create. Starting off at the airport, this is suspense mode, which darkens the image considerably. You can see where the AI struggles with the artificial light as we enter the airport and as we walk inside. All of this and the rest of the shots that you're going to see were shot handheld. Once on board the plane, the shot of the taxiing aircraft is also handheld through the window this time, and in normal video mode, but at 2x zoom. It sometimes struggled to hold focus, possibly due to water droplets on the window here. Once you're up in the air, we shot some wide-angle footage of the clouds, again in standard mode, but with the vivid colour setting active. This is a Leica camera mode and operates with both stills and for video. You can also see this same vivid colour mode in action over the Pyrenees mountain range, where it really does look superb. We shot the extended landing sequence over Barcelona in normal video mode without any AI or without any of the alternative colour modes. It's also in standard zoom, so there's absolutely nothing extra here. It actually comes out very well, and we're impressed with the smoothness, seeing as we were on an aircraft coming into land at the time. Additionally, we experienced no focus issues with the camera in this operating mode. Once in Barcelona, we had a few minutes to walk around and try out some of the other modes. Walking through the trees here, we used Vintage AI colour mode, which gives it a slightly sepia tone, and it's in keeping with the colour of the buildings, which we quite liked, but it's one of those modes like the others where we're not sure how often we'd use it, as we're not sure it really enhances the picture. Next, we went on to try out some of the very special AI camera modes. The first is AI colour, and this sets the background in black and white and isolates a particular subject in colour. It ignores objects, so you can't use it for moving cars, for example, and it instead recognises people. So tracking the couple walking their dog, you can see how it recognises the colours of the clothing, but not the dog itself, even though the dog is still moving around, unless it happens to walk in front of the people. Just take a look where you can suddenly see the colour of the dog as it moves in front of the people's legs. The AI is definitely not perfect, and you can spot some hesitation and jerkiness in this video and in the next one, and where it also struggles with the lighting as the man strolls around the gates at Barcelona football stadium. However, the effect is cool and actually works a little bit better when the subject is still. Moving on to the other AI mode, which is background blur. This operates like a bokeh mode on a stills camera. The effect is pronounced, but it's not very attractive, with poor edge recognition, especially when the AI gets confused by the woman's bag. Just look at the shimmer when she happens to move left or right. Finally, we shot our aircraft as we waited to board on the way home using the Fresh AI colour filter, which adds a bluish tint. Again, we had trouble maintaining focus through the window, which really only affected the Mate 20 when we were using one of the AI video modes, or zoom mode, which is also occasionally using the AI to make sure everything is stable. Huawei has definitely improved video performance on the Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro. And although the new AI video modes are fun and quite often very effective, they still need work to reach the very high standards set by Huawei's stills cameras.